Hi there, students. A thug, a person. Thuggery. What a thug does. Thuggish as an adjective. And we've also got the phrase thug life as well. Okay, a thug is a violent member of a gang. Yeah, this is somebody who's intimidating. Yeah, they treat everybody violently and roughly. Very often a thug is for hire. Yeah, there were two thugs waiting for him outside the discotheque. So a tough, violent man, particularly a criminal. Yeah, the bouncers at a discotheque are very often thugs. A thug is somebody who's violent, and especially they use violence to commit crimes. Yeah. So there were a couple of thugs who smashed up the restaurant. Yeah. It's a violent criminal. Yeah. I guess a mugger or a gangster. Yeah, it's a violent criminal. Okay, so a brutal thug, a gang of thugs. Yeah, there were thugs waiting in the park to mug anybody who went into the park. Yeah, his thuggish dictatorial attitude. Okay, so thuggish, it's forcing people to do something by maybe intimidation. Yeah, the thug-like way that my boss rules this company. Yeah. Okay, he's not going to physically beat you up, but a heavy would be a thug, a tough. Yeah, somebody who is violent. Yeah. A thug, we get the idea of somebody who belongs to a street gang. Okay, the phrase thug life. Okay, this phrase thug life was made popular by Tupac, who's an American rapper. And this talks about living the life of a poor gangster, in which you have to go through life defending yourself and acting like a thug, being violent in order to survive. I like the quotation, "I didn't choose thug life, it chose me." Yeah, I think if you're poor and grow up in the inner city, in a poor district, then it's very possible you succumb to the thug life. Yeah, you effectively become a thug. So notice, if you call somebody a thug, you're calling them a violent criminal. Yeah, somebody who is violent. It doesn't necessarily have to be a criminal. Yeah, the school bully and his thugs arrived and started extorting money, the lunch money or the dinner money from all of the kids. Yeah, so great big bruiser, a bouncer. Yeah, somebody who you're afraid they're going to beat you up. Okay, so let's see the origin of this word. I quite like this word. Actually, the base word comes from India. It originally comes from the Hindi word thag. Yeah, meaning a swindler or a fraud or a cheat. Yeah, which comes from Sanskrit's thaga. Yeah, cunning, fraudulent. But in India's history, there used to be the Thuggee, yeah, who were a group of criminals and murderers who used to strangle people on the roads. Yeah, and that's where the group came from. Effectively, these are crimes carried out by thugs. Yeah, these are people who they are effectively murderers who take people's belongings and kill them and then hide the bodies somewhere. Okay, so thug, formality. He's a thug. 5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. I think this phrase thug life, I think maybe 4.5 in formality. It's something that the younger generation would understand better because it's part of rap culture. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Thug life.